Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to use Google Translate on your laptop. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after open up your Chrome browser, then make sure you log into your Chrome browser to have access to all Google apps. For instance, if you log into your Chrome browser, then you're going to have access to all Google apps right there. So click on this Google apps, then you have access to all apps. So as far as this tutorial is concerned, what we are interested here is Google Translate, just like what you see right here. Click on Google Translate. So when you click on Google Translate, it automatically loads into this particular interface right here. What are the exact things you can do with Google Translate? So in Google Translate, you can translate text, you can translate from images or copy text from images. Then you can also translate documents, and you can also translate websites. As far as this is concerned, you can choose different languages right here. You have the text language, you have English, Spanish, and French. You can click on here and see more languages right here as far as Google Translate is concerned. As at the time of making this video, these are available languages sections right here. Now you have to choose a detected language right here before you can start to translate. Let's say, for instance, I want to translate from English to Spanish. So what we want to do right here is to make sure we choose the detected language right here to be English. Once you choose English, then it's going to automatically translate to Spanish right here. If you don't want to translate to Spanish, you can easily click on here and choose any language right here. So right here, I'm going to type, I will simply say, hello, my friend. How are you doing today? Okay, so now I have it here to be English language, just like what you see right here, and I have it here to be translated into Spanish right here. One great thing here is that we can explore the translation results right here. We can click on here to listen. So when you click
Hola,
on
mi amiga, ¿cómo te va?
amazing. Then also we can use this particular copy translate icon right here. This allows us to copy translation. We can also search for that from Google right here. We can also share our translation as far as this is concerned. These are just basic ways to translate in Google. And then also you can make use of translate by voice right here, whereby you talk and automatically it type and automatically translate to your chosen language right here. It's that simple. So then if you want to use Google Translate for images, click on images right here. Here you will need to upload your images right here. So right here you can drag and drop your photo right here. So you have to choose your detected language right here. So if I choose English as my detected language, then I have to make sure I upload an image that contains English. Okay, so if I'm going to use this particular screenshot right there, I will just drag and drop. Now once it's drag and drop, you can see translating, and the supporting format for this is JPEG or PNG. Allow everything to translate. Once it translates finish, then you are going to see the result in a very quick and fast. So just like so, we have the result right here. So you can see it has been fully translated into Spanish right here. If you want to show the original, click on here and then you see this is the original image I upload and this is the translation right here. So for you to download the translation, just click on here and the translation is going to be download. You can also copy text from this particular translation right here. You can also change the translation language. Let's say I want to switch to another language. So let me try Hindi. So I want to translate. So you can see in a few seconds, it translates to Hindi from image right here. You can click on here to copy text. You can also click on here to download the translation. It's that simple. Same way you do for images is the same way you can do for documents. Go ahead and upload your document. The document file supported here is docs, PDF, PPT text, and XLS. You can upload your document right here, and in a few seconds, select your translated language. It's going to translate. Same way you can do for website. Go ahead and enter the website URL, and in a few seconds, you are going to see the result, which is going to be translated to your desired language. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to use Google Translate on your laptop For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.